In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Go, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First, we need to turn the device off. To do that, let's just press and hold the power button and then tap power off option. After the device turns off, we need to press the power button and volume up button together and hold them. And after a couple of seconds we can release both buttons. When this screen appears, we need to press and hold the power button and then press volume up button to continue. Like this. And now we are in the recovery menu. To move through this menu, we just use the volume up and volume down buttons. Like that. And to confirm the selections, we just need to press the power button. In this menu we have options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data / factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount / system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, and power off. To exit this menu, we just select reboot system now and then press the power button to continue. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.